officials for this match. First referee, Marlon Macabenta, national referee. Second referee, Manny Buenaventura, national referee. Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the National Center for Mental Health Wellness Warriors. Let's start with middle blocker number 1, Shana Costillas. Opposite hitter number 5, Brazil Perez. Middle blocker number 8, Tin Mariales. Setter number 10, Yeye Eco. Outside hitter number 12, Lely Lanza. Outside hitter number team captain at number 15, Sandra Ajon. Starting libero at number 14, Curly Reyes. Head coach of the Wellness Warriors, Arnaldo Dino. Calling on the starters for the Bureau of Fire Protection, Lady Firefighters. Let's start with our middle blocker number 4, Fire Officer 1, Tony Diaz. Setter number 9, Fire Officer 1, CJ Santiago. Middle blocker number 10, Fire Officer 1, Rock Lopez. Outside hitter number 14, Fire Officer 1, Tel Longyon. Opposite hitter number 15, Fire Officer 1, Des Zapuyo. Outside hitter number 16, Fire Officer 1, Melot Gorillo. Starting libero at number 2, Fire Officer 1, Katni Pales. Head coach of the Lady Firefighters, Inspector Lorenzo Diaz. It's the Wellness Warriors versus the Lady Firefighters.
Tingnan natin yung starting lineup ng Wellness Warriors.
Pretty much same starters, no? So if they wanted to start off strong.
Samantalang ito naman, may konting adjustment para kay Coach Diaz as most of his starting lineup will be coming off the bench. The likes of Abellana, pinag-usapan natin kanina. Guillema, who's an NCAA setter from San Sebastian, Vera May Guillema, will be coming off the bench as well. So, konting experimentation dito para sa BFP, knowing na they are the top team. They're going up against a team na naghahanap ng kanilang unang panalo. They can probably afford to try out, give more playing time sa kanilang second unit, Ivy.
That's right. So, ito yung magandang pagkakataon. You try to get the right mix, you know, and siguro yun na nga, give the confidence na rin, you know, yung nanggagaling dati sa bench, magsa-starter ngayon. So, this is going to be an opportunity naman para sa kanila, you know, to show what they have. And
especially in a season like this, itong mga players ito, you're gonna rely on them sometime.
That's right.
In the next few games to relieve some of your key players. Kaya kailangan mong bigyan ng kumpiyansa. And right away, nagpakita agad nakakuha sila ng unang puntos in the first set.
That's right. And you know, sometimes, yun nga nakikita rin natin, no, some of the matches stretch into 5 sets. So, yung fatigue factor kicks in do sa mga starters mo. Kailangan pasukan din yan from the bench. And those are really tight matches.
Cross-court hit and good dig para sa Wellness Warriors. Tip there. Battle at the net. Long rally for the second point. And there it is. Miralles. Kanina pa nag-warm up na nakikita ko. And really trying to get herself going.
Well, she is one of the key hitters para dito sa NCMH.
Team captain, Ajon. Bad pass, Santiago inangat. Puyo is blocked by Miralles. So back-to-back points. Ivy para kay Miralles.
Take a look at that joust at the net. So huling touch on the side of BFP.
A good start para kay Team Miralles. And the Wellness Warriors, they've scored 2 in a row. This is a team na naghahanap ng kanilang unang panalo. They are 0-4 in the standings. Another bad pass. So Diaz, itatawid ang bola. Chance ball dito para sa Wellness Warriors. A tip. 3 straight points. Lahat. Binigay ni Miralles.
if you need the points, kung kailangan mo magpundar, well, why not go to your key attacker while she's at the front line? At mukhang mainit. Sabi mo nga, yung pakita mo sa warm-up niya kanina. So mukhang mainit na si Miralles.
Good dig. Miralles ulit. Angat. This time, it's gonna be 4 touches kontra sa Wellness Warriors. Yun lang, pag ikaw ng ikaw, medyo kakapusin ka din ng konti.
Yeah, that's right. So, at saka yung magiging predictable din. So, siguro yun din yung some of these teams, since they are new, so these are things that they may probably learn, as they go along.
Ang ganda ng ginawa ni Lopez in front. Abang na abang.
That was an overpass. Egok not able to keep that alive.
So, may 2-point run na sagot ang Lady Firefighters, pero namigay din sila ng isa. Served by Restil Perez. Good pass. Santiago. And Costillas, sinubukan pang habulin. Good effort. Crashing into the ating ad barriers. She's okay. The barriers.
Diyan mo makikita rin yung talagang how they've leveled up, no? Kasi normally, pag nakita lang ayan na yung harang, they will stop. Pero ngayon, hindi na.
Oo. Yung effort as Miralles back at it again.
Miralles just continues to target, yung sides, yung kanyang blocker. So yun yung mga malaking chances when it hits the hand of the blocker will be deflected.
3 of the 5 points na Wellness Warriors galing kay Miralles, pero as another error dito para sa white shirts. Tied tayo at 5-all. Nice serve para kay Lopez, but a good pass. Cross-court shot is good para kay Costillas.
So far, so good para dito sa NCNH. You're keeping things close against BFP.
And obviously, not a lot of fans expect that. Kasi nga, alam natin na number 1, 5-0, itong Lady Firefighters. And they're going up against a team na naghahanap ng kanilang unang panalo, itong Wellness Warriors right now at 0-4 in the standings. Not a good pass para kay Costillas. Nice cut shot by Ajon. Kinawid ni Gurillo, it is outside. Marami-rami rin kasing errors, Ivy, itong Lady Firefighters, ano?
That's right. So, yung kanilang last match, that was also one of the problems that they had in giveaway points.
Matala si Puyo, pinabayaan yung bola na yon. Nice serve by Egok, nakakuha siya ng ace. This one is long para kay Egok.
Three service errors for the side of NCNH.
Ang Lady Firefighters have 3 attack points. Let's go courtside now. Puntahan natin si Rina Villamor Camara.
Yes, Eric, so far outstanding run para sa koponan ng BFP Lady Firefighters for maintaining that solo spot in a team standing. Sa first round pa lamang ito. Alam mo, maraming changes para sa kanila for this year. Changes when it comes to the players and changes when it comes to their coaching staff also. Pero kung titingnan mo kung maglaro sila, parang ang tatagal na nilang magkakasama. Of course, the best effort ito coming from the players and the coaching staff also to meet halfway to meet the demands of everyone in the team. Isa sa mga na-acquire nila for this this year is their import player Vera May Guillema, who used to play with the SSS Kabalikat. Si Vera did not also finish her playing stint with the SSS last year because she got pregnant. She just had her twin daughters last December 1, 2024. So kababalik pa lang niya dun sa kanyang maternity leave. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, minimal lang yung playing time na binibigay sa kanya dito sa paglalaro niya with the BFP team. Understanding naman din yung kanyang mga kupunan para makapag-adjust din siya sa larong ito. She's also very grateful dun sa kanyang suportang nakukuha dun sa kanyang husband and mother who takes care of her twins during the time that she has games here in the UVL. Eric and Ivy.
Maraming salamat, Rina. Great report. Congratulations, Vera May Guillema.
That's right.
I mean, that's a wonderful new challenge para sa kanya. Motherhood, of course, taking care of twins. That is not easy.
I know, di ba? Parang, I think the first pregnancy mo, tapos twins ka agad, oh.
But that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be a lot of fun. I mean, mga magulang, young parents na nakikinig sa atin, they would understand. They know it's not easy, but it's a lot of fun. It's worth it. Santiago sets it up. Nice hit para kay Ongyot. It's a 1-point deficit. Naghahabol dito sila Gorillo. 9 serving 10. A good serve. Adjon with a nice pass. Pero second error para kay Miralles on the hit.
We're now tied at 10.
Another good pass by Adjon. Miralles susubok ulit. This time connects. What a nice shot para kay Miralles.
Good hit from Miralles.
5 points para kay Miralles. 5 of the 11 points ng kanyang koponan. Nipales, pinasa. Ito si Ongyot. Adjon with the dig. Miralles ulit. Yes! What an answer dito para sa Wellness Warriors after the tie. It's a 2-point run for the white shirts and they get an easy over. Egok, balik kay Miralles. Why not? Yes!
And she has been scoring the points here for NCMH.
Napipilitan ng tumimeout dito ang Lady Firefighters down by 3.
Okay. Yung unang problema natin, service. Masyado natin kinakargahan. Masyadong power, lumalabas. Tatlong composition, sayang. Okay? So, ano lang muna tayo, ipasok muna natin muna yung bola. Kaya natin sila magkamali, depensahan natin. Kaya kung feel na kahit maganda na yung service, tsaka nyo balata ng kargado. Okay? Basta doon nyo na yung galaw. Yung isa, pag pumayot po, yung gitna, gumagano ng bola, abangan natin. Ha? Let's go. Okay, wala nang ano.
Nadinig natin parehong kupunan. Yung tail end na ng timeout na yun, yung part na sinasabihan si Tin Miralles to keep doing what you're doing.
That's right.
Kay Coach Dino.
So this is a good start here para sa NCMH. The question would be kung, if they can manage to sustain this for the next sets.
Miralles. All right. Almost.
Oh, that was outside.
Just outside. So after the timeout, naputol yung run ng Wellness Warriors. Pero lamang pa sila ng dalawa. Egok. Again, back to Miralles. Drop shot. Yes! Miralles, everything she touches turns into a point.
Let's take a look at this tip. And variation is key para dito kay Tin Miralles.
Now Miralles in the back row para mag-serve. Good looking serve. That's gonna be an ace. And another barrier down. As these players giving it their all. Ganda ng serve. Loaded. Tusok. And 4-point lead para dito sa Wellness Warriors. Hindi na makapagintay si Coach Diaz ng BFP. Papasok si Gang Abellana for the first time today.
Another loaded serve.
Diretso kay Abellana. Gonna be a chance ball para sa Wellness Warriors. Miralles will set it. Good job. Maitawid ang bola para sa Wellness Warriors. Ongyot. That's outside. Ongyot with an attack error. Biggest lead at 5 points para sa Wellness Warriors. And atong Lady Firefighters, hindi pa po nakakatikim ng kalamangan this entire game.
So that's the 4th service error on the side of NCMH. Actually, mas maraming errors na itong NCMH already have 7 free points. But despite the 7 errors they have, sila pa rin ang lumalamang.
Abellana mula sa back row. Miralles inangat. Here's a tip by Costillas. Abellana, back row. Inangat na naman ni Miralles. Egok. Back to Costillas. Abellana. Lopez itatawid ang bola. Costillas with the overhead toss. Longest rally ng ating first set. Costillas tips it. Ongyot, counter tip. Egok. What a rally. Ongyot again.
Oh! Those are the unfortunate things that can happen sa long rally. Sabihin ko pa lang sana ang haba ng rally sa error matatapos ito.
A little miscommunication sa pagitan ni Costillas at ni Egok. So a 2-point run ang sagot dito ng Lady Firefighters. From down 5, tatlo hinahabol nila. Costillas. It's outside. 3 straight points para sa Lady Firefighters. Dalawa na lang hinahabol nila. 5 deadlocks tayo dito, Ivy. 5 beses nagtay ang BFP pero hindi sila nakatikim ng kalamangan. Miralles. Chance ball. Diaz with a nice tip. Miralles papaluin from the pipe. Diaz! Muntik na maubusan ng hangin doon. Abellana, pass. Tinawid. Oh, nice job. Santiago sa gitna on the second touch.
Let's take a look at that point.
Yung 5-point lead ng Wellness Warriors naubos na. Isa na lang ang titira. Timeout for the NCMH.
Diskarte, nasa harap ka. Likod sa harap. Nakukuha na natin sa likod. Pag naalangan tayo sa second ball, by ball ha, para hindi tayo nagkakabanggaan. Baka matulad tayo dun sa nangyari kagabi. Tara.
Ano lang, 1 score at a time. Let's go!
All right, Coach Arnaldo Dino using his first timeout. Isang puntos na lang ang hinahabol nila Diaz ng Lady Firefighters kontra kila Egok and the Wellness Warriors.
Scores at 16-15. NCMH up by 1.
Miralles keeping it alive. Tatawid ni Ajon. Santiago to Diaz. Tips. Egok on the second touch. Santiago to Ongyot. At doon magtatapos ang run ng Lady Firefighters.
Ongyot not able to make that attack cross.
Samantala, mag-a-adjust si Coach Arnaldo Dino. Flores has the wrong number. So, si Santa Maria na muna, one of the imports. Ayun, nakuha na ni Lopez. Well, the sub has been disallowed already. Dahil it's a delay, almost a delay of game. Buti na lang, di siya nabigyan ng yellow card.
That's right. So ito na ang ating first referee talking to the team captain.
Dapat kasi pag ganyan,
Hawak mo na. Yeah.
Tamang number.
That's right.
Ayun na nga, yung yellow card for delay of game. The yellow card is the warning. 2-point game. Nagkahabol pa rin ang league-leading Lady Firefighters. Egok sets it. Oh, that's a double contact. At ngayon, matutuloy na yung substitution ng Flores. Papasok with Santa Maria.
O yan, tama na yung number na hawak. So nagkapalit sila ng number kanina.
Again, pagkakataon mag-tie para sa Lady Firefighters. Good looking serve and we are tied. 6th deadlock of the first set. Service ace para kay Ongyot. Una pa lang. Alright, now can she do it again? Para sa kanilang first lead. Oh!
So that's the thing now with BFP, no? They get a point and then after they commit an error.
Kaya hindi makalamang. They have been trailing since the first serve. Abellana tips it. Flores inangat, naitawid ni Costillas. Santa Maria. Excellent floor defense para sa Wellness Warriors. Diaz will score.
Diaz now shooting the middle position since Fanny Adolfo needs to set out this game.
Santa Maria. Standing spike. Diaz ang kumuha. Santiago. Here's Abellana. Got it. And for the first time in the set, lalamang po ang Lady Firefighters 19-18 off that attack point ni Kang Abellana. Nice serve para kay Santiago. Ajon tips it. Abellana, this time into the net. You're looking at head coach Lorenzo Diaz ng Bureau of Fire Protection. First season head coach. Abellana. Flores underhand set. Battle at the net. Ito si Abellana. The easy over. Santa Maria ang kumuha. Flores sets it up. Miralles nasa gitna. Got it!
Miralles now in double digits. 10 points. Or 11 points rather.
And dahil dyan sa palo na yan, lalamang ulit ang Wellness Warriors by 1 point. 2019, Costillas in the back row para mag-serve. Short pass, Santiago to Puyo. Pinangat ni Costillas. Flores to Ajon. It's just outside, pero malapit-lapit yun.
That was, it almost clipped the line, yeah.
And ang masama pa dun, walang malapit na Lady Firefighter dun.
So had that, caught the line just even by a margin, would have been the point of NCMH.
Tied ulit tayo. Good pass by Ajon. Great receiver. Puyo off the block and outside. Lamang na naman ang Lady Firefighters by 1. Timeout. As the Lady Firefighters enjoy this 1-point lead, their biggest of the set.
Tapos lusog. Okay, pag tumigil ang kamay, magdadrop ball pass, talit tayo sa ilalim. Okay? Huwag niyong apurahin. Gusto maganda receive natin, tsaka set. Maganda set.
Wellness Warriors looking for their first win. And ang kalaban nila ngayon, yung pinakamahusay na team so far sa ating standings, sila Diaz and the Lady Firefighters. By the way, Diaz, that's her yung Mary's surname.
Yeah.
He's Basas.
That's right.
Sister niya si Chin Basas.
Yeah, former player of FEU.
Right. Miralles for the tie. Yes. 21 all. Ito pong Wellness Warriors led by as many as 5 points. Samantalang ang Lady Firefighters only led by 1. Puyo. Good pass by Costillas. Flores. Pinasa kay Coach Dino. Dino outside.
A little frustration on the side of Coach Dino. Kasi nasa kanina na yung lamang. You know, they've been leading almost the entire time in the set, in this first set.
Abellana. Susubukan dagdagan itong 1-point lead nila. Not a good pass. Flores. Nahirapang habulin doon. And this is the biggest lead para sa Lady Firefighters. 23-21. Mag-a-adjust si Coach Dino. Wala na siyang timeout. Egok babalik. Along with Perez.
Survey, team captain,
Good serve. Nahirapan si Egok doon. Long time since I saw a chop, a shot. Ongyot with a nice hit. Nipales with the pass. Puyo. Costillas with a dig. Miralles through the double block.
Miralles keeping NCMH alive here. So isa na lang ang kalamangan nitong BFP.
Lopez medyo malayo sa net. Kaya nakalusot yung palo ni Miralles. Abellana, here's a good pass. Lopez, babawi. Inangat ni Perez. Miralles sends it outside. Sabi ni Miralles, baka may block touch. Sabi ng ating officials, wala. So, 2 set points para sa Lady Firefighters. After trailing by as many as 5. Kaya na nilang tapusin. They can get an ace or if they win in this rally. Miralles.
Oh, but a net violation error on the side of BFP.
So, nawala ang kanilang isang set point. Meron pang isa, tatawag ng timeout ngayon. Ang BFP.
Lang ha?
Pagkuha natin ang bola, magandang bola. Okay, pag kailanganin, team ready ka, tsaka ready ka po sa is. Okay, again, relax. Team, service natin ha. Relax tayo sa receive. Let's go!
Well, yung audio po na didinig ninyo, audio ng Wellness Warriors. So si Coach Dino yon talking to Tin Miralles. Mantala, may substitution dito para kay Coach Diaz as Robo papasok para kay Lopez. They still have set point itong Lady Firefighters. Miralles nasa back row with the serve. Santiago inangat. Gonna be an easy over. Egok, saan siya pupunta? To Costillas, blocked by Romo. Nakapapasok lang. Romo inangat. Ongyot with the tip. Yes!
Let's take a look at that last point. The tip by Ongyot. Miscalculation lang on the side of NCMH.
So after maghabol and down by as many as 5 points, itong Lady Firefighters getting the first set kontra sa Wellness Warriors. We'll be back with set number 2 pagkatapos ng ilang sandali. Alright, may adjustment po si Coach Diaz to start set number 2 para dito sa Lady Firefighters. Almost this entire starting lineup kasama si Vera May Guillema na ni-report kanina ni Rina Camara na just limited minutes dahil nga she's just getting her groove back pagkatapos po niyang mga anak late last year. But Abellana is in the starting lineup. Maredo, Puyo, and Magsino. Here we go. Samantalang para so Wellness Warriors will still have the same starting 6. And Miralles, right where she left off in set number 1.
Well, for Coach Dino, it worked well for them. So why not start off with the same group?
Tough receive para kay Abellana. So from the back row siya papalo. That's not a good first ball. Abellana with the dig. Bokaya inangat. Magsino. Cross court. Costillas with a nice pass. Miralles ulit. Kanina pa digging ito si Abellana. She's done a really good job mula sa likod. Egok itatawid ang bola. Pagkakataon ng atake para sa Lady Firefighters. Here comes Magsino. Yes!
Good down the line hit from Magsino.
So 1-all. Barredo. Barredo serves into the net. So sorry sa bench si Barredo. Barredo with the pass. Set by Guillema. Romo. Umalo. Miralles again.
Almost a good save there by Magsino.
Miralles, 15 na.
And we're just starting the second set.
Kung patuloy itong pagpunto si Miralles, papalo ito ng 30 mamaya yung third set.
That's right.
Service fault. Alright. So, serve para kay Mel Magsino. Costillas inangat. Miralles ulit. What a save para kay Magsino. Ang ganda naman nun.
That save deserves a replay. Let's take a look at that once again. There you go. And confusion on the side of the Wellness Warriors.
Mayroon tayong top 10 plays. Dapat pasok yun. Number 1 yun. Good serve. Magsino serving, defending very well. Oh, but back against the net. Miralles, kahit saan pumunta, kahit saan nakaharap, umi-score to si Miralles.
Take a look at that. 3 ball. Miscommunication on the side of BFP kung sino ang kukuha.
And just like that, lalamang na naman ang NCMH. But not for long. Marami-rami na itong service faults. Si Miralles, that's gonna be service fault number 3. Egok with a tip. Yes! Catches the line. Nice move by Egok. Joleta. An underhand serve. Guillema, mababa. Biggest lead para sa Wellness Warriors. Lamang na dalawa, 6-4. Another underhand high serve. Guillema with the set to Abellana.
Take a look at Abellana's attack in between the two blockers.
Roms Romo serving to tie the game. Miralles ang ganda ng pasa. Egok. Ajon tips it. Puyo inangat. Magsino mula sa likod. Outside. Egok with the serve. Ganda yung pasa ni Magsino. Abellana. Inangat ni Miralles. Egok. Ajon, the team captain. Block. Miralles. Attack error. And pareho nung first set. Hindi pa po nakakalabang dito ang Lady Firefighters sa set number 2.
Well, BFP has been having a slow start.
Pero ito, back-to-back errors, Ivy, para sa Wellness Warriors. Sa key players naman din nila, Miralles and Costillas.
Well, that brings the second set to a tie, 7 apiece.
Pagkakataon lumamang on the serve by Gang Abellana. 7-all, set number 2. Ajon pinasa, Egok. Back to Ajon. Inangat ni Bokaya. Magsino. Ajon with the dig. Costillas, Miralles, back row. It's outside. 3 straight errors para sa Wellness Warriors at lalamang for the first time in set number 2 ang Lady Firefighters. Puntahan natin itong report ni Rina Villamor Camera.
Yes, Eric, you gotta love here the mindset of the NCMH Wellness Warriors na bilog ang bola and anything is possible on this match. Tiwala naman sila that even if they're the rookie team here, they can give a good fight against a #1 team here, which they're actually showing in the first set alone. And during their practices going into this ball game, they focus on 3 things here. Yung kanilang service, yung kanilang pag-receive ng maayos sa bola, and lastly, yung kanilang floor defense. Ito kasi yung madalas na nagiging error ng kanilang kupunan, to which they're also working also on this match. And the last time out, minotivate lang sila ni Coach Arnaldo Dino to be able to focus harder, to be able to get a set here rather. Nakakagawa na kasi sila ng magandang plays at maganda na rin yung mga attacking na ibibigay nila against the BFP. So kailangan ituloy-tuloy lang nila yung kanilang momentum dito. One thing that they need to work on, yung kanilang timing pagdating dun sa bola. Eric and Ivy.
Alright, maraming salamat, Rina. So many great points dun sa report na yun. Well, number 1, keep at it. Ano? Kasi especially si Miralles, if they can get her going, keep her going pala because he has been gotten going since the start. And then, mas maganda-gandang depensa.
That's right, yeah. Defense is always key because, you know, you won't be able to get any sets or you won't be able to set up your attackers kung hindi kayo nakakadepensa ng maayos.
Right now, 2 puntos ang hinahabol ng Wellness Warriors. Ajon, yes. Pero si Guillema using a little chicken wing there para maiangat yung bola. Santa Maria is in the game. Eto, dapat mabawas-bawasan ni Miralles. Maybe she's getting a little bit tired, we don't know. Pero marami-rami din siyang attack error sa Ivy.
That's right. So the frustration probably is kicking in as well.
Bumaba yung bola, kaya gusto mong paul. Abutin mo sa ibabaw para mas maganda ang kuha mo ng bola. Okay? Hindi naman kailangan ilihis ng gusto sa kamay ng block. Gamitin mo yung block para duman ng bola. Okay? Kasi pag tumama ang bola sa block, papalik naman sa atin. May tao naman sa ilalim. Okay? O, huwag mo lang gigilan. Again, maganda na yung depensa natin, mas gandahan pa natin yung depensa. Okay? Sige, let's go. Go! Gandahan din yung set.
Ay, nadinig natin, Ivy. Gandahan pa yung depensa. Kasi maganda na, lalo no first set. Pero ibalik nila doon, if not, be better here in set 2.
That's right. So I think, you know, what they have really worked on in practice is paying off in this game. So happy naman si Coach Dino sa nakikita niya sa depensa. Pero alam niyang may igaganda pa. And I think that would be key really for the Wellness Warriors.
Ito ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Lady Firefighters sa 3 points. Guillema, ang layo ng hinabol niya doon. Magsino with a nice cut shot. Guillema, Puyo. What a dig there. Para kay Egok Miralles with an off-speed drop shot. Guillema, back to Puyo. Santa Maria, nice pass. Puyo nakaabang. Egok inangat. Miralles with a hit. Exciting exchange. Magsino. Inangat ni Santa Maria. Ito si Egok. Miralles. Guillema with a dig.
This is another long rally.
Yep. Ajon. Guillema to Barredo mula sa gitna. And Barredo right on the line.
They thought it was going out, pero saktong-sakto sa linya. Take a look at that attack by Barreda.
Well, 4 points. Pinakamalaking kalamangan to para kila Vera May Guillema. And the Lady Firefighters. Good pass again by Ajon. Guillema with the dig. Bokaya inangat. Chance ball para sa white shirts. Egok. Expect Miralles with a hit. Puyo with a pass. Bokaya itatawid din naman ng bola. Santa Maria with a short dig. Ajon. Abellana digging it up. Ito si Puyo with the tip. Ajon with the up. Miralles. One-handed dig para kay Abellana. Drop shot. Again, andun naman si Ajon. Miralles. Got it.
A lot of long rallies we're having here. So it's just a matter of time before the fatigue kicks in. We're only here at the second set.
Samantala, Nacario checking in para kay Guillema. So a third new setter on the floor para dito sa Lady Firefighters. Puyo. Egok, Santa Maria inangat. Gonna be a chance ball. Itinawid ni Miralles. Bokaya. Egok, perfect dig. Miralles. Magsino. Another great exchange. Both teams ang ganda ng galaw nila sa floor, ha?
Yeah. Good coverage on Wellness Warriors.
Pero para pinupulikat si Egok. And ito si Egok, you see at the bottom of your screens. Anyway, naitawid ang bola. It goes outside. So puntos to para sa white shirts. Egok is hurting. Try niya ipagpag. I don't know if it's she's holding on to her calf a little bit. Yan, minamasahan yung kanyang calf. Yeah, she's gonna have to go out.
Well, we hope it's just cramps.
Yep. So Flores, pabalik. Pinaltan si Egok, who will be checked by their trainers. Hopefully she's okay. 2-point game. Nag-ahabol sila Ajon and the Wellness Warriors. Nice hit by Barredo. Back to the biggest lead para kay Barredo and the Lady Firefighters, 13-10. That service outside, second service fault. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Yep, kay Barredo here in set number 2. So Sanchez to serve. Sanchez hindi pa po nakakapuntos. Good pass by Abellana. Nacario. Battle at the net. Nanalo si Miralles. Puyo with a little help from the net.
That was a little difficult for Puyo. Take a look at that attack. Flips the net and work to their advantage.
Good serve. Flores to Miralles. Bokaya with a dig. Abellana, look out. That's wide. Error para kay Abellana. errors para kay Abellana in the match. Isa nung first set, isa ngayon. Not a good receive para kay Bokaya. So service ace para kay Miralles. This is 17 points para kay Miralles. 18 points. And nakakalahati pa lang tayo sa set 2.
Another good serve.
And another ace. 19. Should probably finish 25 pagtapos ng second set, no?
Right. That's right.
Kaya 35 nito pagka ganito tuloy-tuloy ito si Miralles. Yan, a bad set there. And just like that, single-handedly, si Miralles sa serves niya, binura niya yung deficit. Lumamang pa sila ngayon ng isa.
This is a 4-0 run, but that goes out.
And that is the fourth service fault ni Miralles. Pero kung ikaw si Coach Dino, okay lang yun eh, no? Kasi ang daming benefits having Miralles on the floor. Pero Miralles, speaking of, will sit down, get a rest. Tied at 15 tayo. Zoleta. Santa Maria, tatawid ang bola. Nacario to Abellana. Good pass by Adjon. Flores, tinawid ang bola. Nacario. It's time to Puyo. That one is outside. Lamang na naman ang isa. Ang Wellness Warriors.
Wellness Warriors are also feeding from the errors of BFP.
Nacario to Abellana with the left hand. Yes. Sub para kay Coach Dino as Lanza will check in para kay Zoleta. Isa sa rules natin yan, ano? Under Commissioner Ronnie Magsanok, lahat ng players in the lineup during that day kailangan makapaglaro.
That's right.
Adjon to Santa Maria, kinapos. So, because of that error, lalamang ang Lady Firefighters ng isa, 17-16.
So for BFP, none of the players have reached a 5-point mark just yet. But that means because the ball is well distributed.
Marami sa kanila. No,
halos lahat may puntos. That's right.
Flores, angat. Adjon, got it!
Finds the corner.
Pero si Adjon, iika-ika na rin. Pinapagpag yung kaliwang paa. Left calf, ini-stretch niya. Kita natin yung kind of effort inilalabas sa mga players dito. And you gotta remember, sa mga nanonood, these are not finely tuned athletes pareho na napapanood nyo sa UAAP or sa PBL.
Right.
These are government employees na on the side nagpa-practice para makapag-compete sa ating UBL.
Right. So ito na yung you already have physically, kumbaga you're fatigued already with work, and then after meron ka pang ensayo. So yung recovery din syempre not as much for these players.
Double contact kay Flores. Now back to a 2-point cushion para kila Abellana and the Lady Firefighters. Tsaka let's be honest din, I mean, ba't hindi naman itong mga college players sa bata pa?
That's right.
Again, these are employees, these are civil service servants. Kaya they are juggling so many things. Final timeout para kay Coach Dino. We'll listen in.
Okay? So tingnan nyo na kagad. Service, sisid ang bola, galaw agad, iangat ang bola. Basta iwasan lang natin dumikit ang bola sa net. Nahirapan si Kep. Okay, tapos Kep, pag maganda, bigay ng maganda. Kaya naman pumatay eh. Ha? O, sige, go.
Well, one final push, ika nga, para dito kila Coach Dino and the Wellness Warriors looking for their first win of the UVL Season 2 kontra kila Nacario And the Lady Firefighters na wala pa pong talo sa ating conference. Three-point lead, pinaprotektahan ni Lagang Abellana. Susubukan pandagdagan kung kakayanin. Ajon or rare bad pass. Santa Maria will send it across. Nacario. Magsino, chance ball. Pero si Flores ang kumuha ng first touch. So Santa Maria sets to Ajon. Magsino, papalo. And that's good.
And Magsino was able to get the set that she likes. And usually, pag maganda yung set, yung gusto niyang set, this is the kind of attacks that she can give out.
Apat kalamangan dito ng Lady Firefighters. This is their biggest lead. Costillas papasok for Santa Maria, who has struggled so far in the match. Antalan si Costillas looking for her second point. Let's see kung madadala niya yan. Abellana, second straight serve. Ajon. That was off the block. Costillas itinawid ang bola. Paredo. It is on the line. Patuloy ang papamaga ng kalamangan nitong Lady Firefighters as Miralles is brought back in by Coach Arnaldo Dino. Let's see. Ito na halos yung kanyang starting lineup except for Egok na may calf issue. Service fault para kay Gang Abellana. Apat, hinahabol. Nila Costillas. Shana Costillas with a serve. Nacario tips it. Nice block by Miralles, pero good save. Para sa Lady Firefighters. Flores to Miralles. Grabe, Miralles, kapapasok lang, ano?
And she's already making an impact. 21 points for Team Miralles.
Apat pa para kumota.
Oh, para kumota.
Binanggit natin na numero, no? 25.
Just kayang-kaya pa,
Kaya
actually.
pa. Oo. Sila ang naghahabol eh. Yan lang. Costillas, tinulungang lumapit ang Lady Firefighters towards the finish line with that service fault. Guillema papasok for Nacario. Put the finishing touches perhaps dito sa ating second set. Miralles. Nice block. And it is going to be 5 set points para sa Lady Firefighters after this block kay Miralles. Ajon. Yes.
Wellness Warriors still in the game. But no room for errors on their end.
Si Ajon, 2 points. Ajon serving. Nice serve. Nice ace. 2 set points saved by Ajon. Natawag ng first time out. Coach Diaz. Pakinggan natin ang Lady Firefighters.
Para may palo tayo.
Ikaw lang ay. Isa lang. 1, 2, 3, 6 lang.
Easy lang sa receive, ha? Mag-go tayo.
Bawi tayo, tara.
Dala yan, dala.
Fighters!
Tinig natin yung tinig ni Coach Diaz and yung kanyang Lady Firefighters. Isa na lang kailangan nila kontra kay Miralles and the Wellness Warriors. A much more comfortable second set, Ivy, para sa Lady Firefighters.
That's right. It's actually a better start for them. You know, and just 1 point na lang. Although sometimes itong 1 point na to, ito yung pinakamahirap na kuha.
Ito, pagkakataon. Miralles will get a touch, that's for sure. There it is. 22 para kay Miralles. 3 set points saved by the Wellness Warriors.
This is not only a test of physical strength para sa Wellness Warriors, but also the test of character. Ajon has been serving very well.
Puyo, atake. Yun lang, nakalusot sa double block. Nice shot by Puyo para tapusin itong second set. Pabor sa Lady Firefighters.
Good attack by Puyo, finding that open area, open area in the end line.
Puyo with 4 points. At ito naman ay isang 3-point win para sa Lady Firefighters after winning by 2 points in the first set. Lamang sila ngayon, 2-0 kontra sa Wellness Warriors.
Let's take a look at, we have set number 3 underway. Kung makakabawi itong NCMH Wellness Warriors or if will BFP secure the third set and make this a 3-set win. First blood drawn by BFP, Gang Abellana for the first point. Tingnan natin ang atakin to ni Gang Abellana in between the two blockers. Not a good pass. Mirales brings it over. Free ball ang binigay ng BFP. A setup now for Mirales. Guillema able to keep that alive. Tip mula kay Abellana na hindi na iangat ng NCMH. First 2 points for BFP. Courtesy of Gang Abellana. She now has 7 points in this game. Tony Diaz for the serve. Not a good pass. Binalik, free ball.
Oh, nice tip para kay Puyo. Here comes Miralles ulit. Blocked! Romo pala yung nandun na nag-push before that block. There's the hit by Romo. And a block by Puyo. And ito magandang start, Ivy, para sa Lady Firefighters. Up 3-0 right away. Pero Diaz nabigay ng unang puntos para sa Wellness Warriors.
Again, the key here for the Wellness Warriors really is just to reduce the errors. Kasi kaya naman nilang dumikit eh. It's just that, you know, those free points they're giving to BFP, nakakatulong syempre.
Flores, Miralles is blocked. There's a net touch. Itatawag kontra kay Puyo. So Flores in the starting lineup. Wala po si Egok. Still probably nursing yung kanyang calf para pinupulikat kanina in set number 2.
We see her standing in the sideline. So at least that's a good sign. No, she's not sitting down.
Nice hit para kay Romo. And Abellana, binigyan ng isang libreng bola ni Sanchez. So 4-2 lead para dito sa Lady Firefighters. What could be a third and final set. Costillas, short pass. So Ajon, itatawid na lang ang bola underhand. Romo with a good tip. Miralles. Guillema. And it's in. Sanchez. Papasok for Perez. Now a 3-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters. That push is outside.
Well, Miralles needed to adjust dun sa set na yun. Well, she had the right thing in mind, you know. Mobra lang ng konti ang kanyang tulak.
Ito na, pinakamalaking kalamangan. para sa Lady Firefighters at 4 points. Adjon says, ako na. Miralles with a hit. And attack error para kay Puyo. Will stop the run.
All 3 points that the Wellness Warriors have right now are courtesy of errors of BFP.
Good serve para kay Sanchez, who just checked in. Lanza inangat. Miralles off-speed hit. Gorillo. Drop shot is wide. So nabigay ng 2 sunod na puntos ang Lady Firefighters. Nakakalahati yung kalabangan nila. Another good serve para kay Sanchez. Gorillo, cross-court hit. Miralles with a push. And si Romo with a drop shot.
So the hits of Romo are actually hindi malalakas, pero matulis eh. Very sharp, very fast. So these are very effective power tips.
Flores, Miralles sa atake. Got it. Miralles, 23.
That was one of her best attacks actually. Let's take a look at that. Look at the angle and really reaching up. Talaga sa ibabaw niya kinukuha ang bola.
Samantala si Egok papasok. Seems to be okay now. Papantan si Flores. So let's see kung makakakuha ng run itong Wellness Warriors. Again, back-to-back points para kay Romo. Puntahan natin itong report ni Rina Villamor Camera.
Yes, Eric, update muna tayo kay Yeye Egok, who suffered from a right leg cramp earlier, no? She is doing better right now after icing and resting that leg, and right now she's back in action para sa kupunan ng NCMH Wellness Warriors. On the other side of the court, another mother from the BFP Lady Firefighters, itong si Syra Romo. Nakakapanganak lang din last year. She's an import player for the team at hindi muna siya nagtatrabaho ng full-time dahil ang focus niya is to be a full-time mother to her 9-month-old son. Syra has started playing volleyball when she was in college in a PUP. She also has extensive volleyball experience dun sa ibang competitive leagues, and right now she's very happy to be part of the BFP team. Ang sabi niya nga sa akin, parang collegiate level ang laro ng kupunan ng BFP. Kaya naman she's being challenged right now to keep up with the standards of playing para sa kupunan ng Firefighters. You know, acquiring Syra is an advantage para sa kanilang kupunan para makatulong siya doon sa kanilang depensa. In fact, during the last game, she was able to contribute 8 in attack points, 2 in blocks, and 2 in service aces also. Eric and Ivy.
Maraming salamat, Rina. So, ang daming mothers pala dito sa BFP, ano?
Pero hindi mo akalain, how will you see when they play?
9 months naman yan, si Syra. Costillas. Inangat ni Abellana. And that will be 4 touches by Tatawag. No, they call a violation. Kontra sa Lady Firefighters. Take another look. Net touch. Diaz with a drop shot. Adjon, malayo yung pasa ni Costillas, so Adjon nahirapan iangat ang bola. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Lady Firefighters. This is their biggest lead ng set number 3. Egok to Adjon. Yes!
Powerful hit by Adjon.
Lumalagotok yung palo na yun. Nasa harap lang namin yun. Egok serving 7-10. Guillema. And Diaz with a drop shot. Tuloy-tuloy ang abante itong Lady Firefighters. They restore their 4-point lead. Di makakuha ng magandang pasa itong Wellness Warriors. And Guillema with an ace. Now the biggest lead para sa Lady Firefighters, up by 5 points.
Almost everybody in the lineup of BFP has scored a point in this game.
Oh, nahawakan ni Guillema. It looked like it was on its way out. So, Adjon makakapuntos. And get the side out. Costillas. With the serve. Gorillo, ang ganda yung pasa. And here comes Puyo. Miralles. Abellana. Inangat ni Costillas. Look out, here comes Adjon. Nice pass. And Diaz puts it away.
Diaz gets the set that she wants at nakabuelo siya ng maayos. So this is the kind of attacks that she can do.
So balik sa 5 ang kalamangan nila Diaz at ng Lady Firefighters. Good serve. Ito si Miralles at the net. Good save by Puyo. Miralles is blocked. And pupuntos si Romo. Timeout para kay Coach Dino as they are down by 6 points now.
Hindi naman ganun kabigat yung service eh. So dati, naibigay lang natin maganda yung bola sa center para makapalo tayo. Okay? Pag dikit, nahihirapan. Alright? Again, ha? Again, focus tayo dito sa receiver. Ha? Pati pagpalo nila, doon tayo pumokus para makatake tayo. Ha?
Wellness!
Ano mga kailangang adjustments dito, Ivy, ng Wellness Warriors who have lost the last 2 sets kahit na actually lumang sila as much as 5 points, especially in the first set.
Well, you know what? For one, they're not able to set up Miralles as much as they did in the first set. So, medyo marami silang miscues that has happened. So, I think yung ball handling, ball control, no, medyo nawala. It wasn't as good as how it was in the first set.
Ayun, block touch as Adjon will score. Ayun, nakikita naman natin, pag may maganda silang
pasa, right?
They can get Adjon, Miralles,
yes.
Costillas.
Yeah.
Naka-atake.
Good serve.
Pero yun lang, most of the weapons ni Coach Diaz ng Lady Firefighters are on the floor, kaya ang daming pagpipilian ni Guillema.
The passing of BFP also, they're passing very well. So, hindi nagiging mahirap din kay Guillema in trying to find the attacker.
Meron pang full front line ng Lady Firefighters right now. Miralles with a drop shot. Miralles now with 24.
The Wellness Warriors would need to take advantage of the fact that Miralles is still at the front line.
Romo blocked by Miralles. Gorillo keeping it alive. Egok, Miralles. Yes! 25. 2 straight points. Ay puntos ng Wellness Warriors. Lahat yun galing kay Team Miralles. 4 na lang hinahabol nila from being down by 6. A bad pass. Galing kay Abellana. Puyo itatawid ng bola. Chance ball. Ayan, look out. Miralles on the way. Blocked. Miralles susubok ulit. Oh, this time into the net.
Well, she was way under the ball, so that would be difficult.
Coach Arnaldo Dino on your screens ng NCMH, National Center for Mental Health Wellness Warriors. Egok to Miralles. Ajon, itatawid ni Miralles. Gorillo, kapos.
It's Tintoriales serving.
Gorillo, papabawiin. Ajon on the second touch. Medyo nahilo si Ajon doon. Iikot siya, no?
Oh, hindi niya nakita eh. Let's take a look at that once again. Yeah, so she would see. So that Lanza was also there trying to keep the ball alive.
Ito si Costillas with the left hand. Gorillo. Costillas with a push all the way outside.
Again, these errors, they really have to be careful about this. I'm talking about itong si NCMH. They already gave out 6 free points and this is not the time to do that kasi naghahabol sila eh.
Saka yung 6 na yun, yun na yung kalamangan ng Lady Firefighters. Right. Miralles now with 26. Samantala, may substitution si Coach Arnaldo Dino as Santa Maria returns. Papatan si Costillas. 5, hinahabol nila dito. Drop ni Gorillo. Ajon inangat. Ajon down the line. Abellana with a dig. Gorillo with an easy over. It's outside. Marami-rami ring errors kasi Ivy itong ano no, BFP.
Right.
Kaya hindi sila makakawala eh.
Oh, ball still alive.
Good save. Mula kay Puyo. Ajon. Yes! Ito na naman ang Wellness Warriors making a comeback. 3 na lang hinahabol na dito after being down by 6. Mantala si Magsino will check in. 4 points para kay Magsino. Apaltan si Gorillo. Yun lang masakit. Naghahabol ka tulad ng binanggit nga ni Ivy kanina. Nagtatapon din sila na puntos. Mecca Magsino with the serve. Ajon. Yes.
Ajon now with 8 points.
Tatlo, hinahabol. Yeye Egok. Just outside. So back-to-back errors para sa Wellness Warriors. And Guillema, may full front line. Ika nga, with Puyo, Abellana, and Diaz in front. Good serve. Kung pwede lang sana patalbugin yun, no? Talbugin mo sa pader.
That's right. Napabalik mo.
Parang pelota. Pelota yung gano'n, di ba?
Yeah. Substitution here for the Wellness Warriors.
Saka yung bagong craze ngayon, yung paddle.
Paddle.
Diba pwede mong patalbugin yun sa one?
Pickleball? Parang ganun. Or squash. It's the same, right? Squash.
Oh, pickleball di mo yata pwede patalbugin. Pero yung si AJ pareha nagsabi nun. Kasi nagpapaddle. So pwede mo daw patalbugin sa wall. Anyway, here's another side out para sa Wellness Warriors. Ajon, ano? Sila ni Miralles here in the third set. Keeping it close. Santa Maria with a serve. Guillema, nice set. Pero Zoleta with the dig. Miralles, yes! 27 na. Miralles.
Good off speed from Tin Miralles. Ito yung tinatawag nating diskarte.
Abellana. Pinangati Santa Maria, Egok with the set. Here comes Ajon. Out na sana yun. Kinuha ni Santa Maria. It could have been going out. Here's a look. This was going out already. Kinuha ni Santa Maria. Actually, Coach Dino was telling Santa Maria also out na.
Pero siguro, you know, when you're inside and you're not sure, just take it.
Bad pass. Para kay Miralles. Ajon, inangat. 4-point game. Oh, missed time there para kay Romo. A rare error. Romo has been playing so well, especially here in the third set. Meron na siyang 4 points in the game. That serve into the net para kay Ajon. At palapit ng palapit itong Lady Firefighters to the finish line. Only 2 points away. Coach Dino, mukhang they will sustain their 5th straight loss. Kung hindi nila ma-turn around itong third set. Miralles! 28 points now.
And this is still doable for the Wellness Warriors. Again, it will just start with this service. Kailangan lang ay pumasok or they can score an ace out of it.
Short pass. Magsino. Back-to-back points para sa Wellness Warriors. Tatawag ng timeout dito si Coach Diaz of the BFP. Pakinggan natin.
Dalawa na lang yan. Kaya ano lang, kumpiyansa na sa service. Normal lang, kahit na walang karga yung bola, basta importante pumasok. Abangan lang natin yung atake nila. Okay, sino nasa harap? Si Tin. Ikaw ang bahala sa outside. Para si Tin, in case mahuli, no? Hahabol na lang yun ng block. Pero sigurado, tapatak mo na agad yung ano. Tapos bigay ng maganda. Kuha tayo ng magandang bola. Sige tayo. Tin, ha? 1, 2, 3.
All right, here we go.
So what we've heard is actually yung game plan on the side of the Wellness Warriors. So since Tin Miralles is at the front line, we will be expecting that the sets will be given to her.
Yun lang ang masakit doon. Hindi na kailangan paghirapan pa ng Lady Firefighters makarating sa match point. Sanchez with a service fault. And it is 3 match points para kila Romo and the Lady Firefighters. Ito si Puyo with the serve. Miralles, short pass. Miralles looking for point number 28. Make that 29 pala. Magsino, and there it is, the winning point para sa Lady Firefighters. Nice hit para kay Magsino. Only 5 points para kay Magsino in today's game, but enough para makakuha ng 3-set sweep itong Lady Firefighters who are coming off a 5-set win against PhilHealth.
That's right. So this, I think, is a breather for them kasi that was an intense 5 sets, you know, with PhilHealth. So a good performance dito para sa BFP in trying to secure another win. But we also have to give hats off din naman para dito sa Wellness Warriors because naidikit naman nila ang laban against one of the strongest teams right now.
So ang ating best player right now, I think they're ready. Let's send it over to Rina Villamor camera. Rina?
Yes, that's right. Ang ating best player of this ballgame, we have Zaira Romo coming from the BFP Lady Firefighters. Congratulations sa inyong kupunan, Zaira. Anong masasabi niyo sa larong ito? Dahil kahit paano, binikatan kayo ng laro dito ng NCMH Wellness Warriors on this 3 sets, no? 23-25, 22-25, and 21-25 yung ating scores dito.
Siguro sa amin, medyo nagkaroon kami ng relaxation which is na dapat yung kalaban namin, gusto namin ng mas babaan pa yung score. Pero kasi medyo nag-relax kami. So dapat sa next naming game, mas laban pa, mas eager pa.
For the mothers out there, I want to hear it from you. Ano yung magiging advice mo sa kanila in handling time management very well? Kasi right now, you're doing two of the things that you love most, playing volleyball at nag-aalaga ka rin dun sa iyong anak.
Unang-una yung tulog. Yun, dapat meron tayong ganun. And then, yung management mo sa oras mo na yung paghahati mo is dapat alam mo kung para saan tong umaga, para saan yung hapon, para saan yung gabi.
Sino ba ang mga naging inspiration mo going into this match?
Siyempre yung una-una yung anak ko po. And then the team po.
Sino yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan ng BFP Lady Firefighters? Go ahead, mahaba-haba ang iyong listahan dyan.
Maraming salamat po sa unang-una sa ating Panginoon, sa lahat ng sumusuporta, sa UNTV Sports, lalo na po sa BFP Lady Firefighters, and to our OIC Fire Chief Superintendent Jesus Fernandez, Sir Quan Chu, Sir Manuel, our snappy officers, Ma'am Belo Chavez, Sir Abundante, Ma'am Joby and Sir Angot, Sir Peñas of LSS, Sir Jeffrey Atienza of Makati, Ma'am Ana Chesa of PIC, Ma'am Yams of Health Services, and then BP National Capital Region, Sir Tarosa, Unilab, Meralco, coaches and training staff, at sa buong BFP community po. And then sa lahat po ng sumusuporta, aming supportive RD, and aming mahal na pamilya, sa mga viewers online, and dito po sa Paco Arena. Maraming salamat po sa isang araw at ligtas na araw po. Happy birthday po sa atin ni Ganggang, and then syempre hello din po sa family ko, sa anak ko si Adam and Vera, and then family ko, yes, family, and sa twins ni Ate Vera din. And sino pa? Si Gang.
Happy birthday, Mami Mitch!
Alright, thank you so much and congratulations. You get a gift pack coming from us here at the UVL family. Congratulations, Saira, Romo. Back to you guys, Eric and Ivy.
Alright, maraming salamat, Rina. 6 straight wins already para sa Lady Firefighters. Samantalang ang Wellness Warriors babagsak sa 0-6 after this 3-set loss.
That's right. So it's still a tough climb, para dito sa Wellness Warriors, but still mahaba pa naman ang ating torneo. They still have a lot of time, to improve. And yun nga yung nakikita rin natin history-wise, diba? So maraming mas gumagaling at mas nakukuha chemistry as we go along. And this is the summary of our match today. The Wellness Warriors going up against the BFP Lady Firefighters. It is the BFP sealing that match in 3 straight sets in all of the different areas. Pwera lamang sa aces, naging lamang itong BFP. So this is one bright spot that we have for the Wellness Warriors, yung kanilang services.
Yes.
So that has always been one of the things that has helped them in their past games. Pero dito sa laban na to, talagang well-prepared din naman kasi itong BFP. Kahit minix nila yung kanilang mga players, but everybody that has pulled off the bench has contributed in the match.
Alright, so 1 game down, 2 more to go. Only undefeated team ang Lady Firefighters so far sa ating torneo. Coming up, we have Comelec kontra sa DFA at PNP. Mamaya, in our 3rd game kontra sa PhilHealth. We've got more action dito lang sa UVL. Diyan lang po kayo.